Alright guys, I just wanted to give you a quick little overview of where we're at in case you're watching the episodes out of order, or if you're just wondering where did we leave off. Well, after I took a little bit of single track in the last episode, we are in this area right now and we are headed to Wickenburg. So we are about halfway through this journey. Again, this series starts at the Anderson Mill and then it kind of rides all the way up to Wickenburg. So we are in this general area right here. Thanks for watching.
But this one looks perfect. You know, nice green grass. It's not totally overgrown. Man. And it's got dirt bike tracks on it. Alright, enough distracting you guys with the cool single track that's out here. One of these days though, I want to come ride it. If you're watching this video and you want to ride it, just download the GPX file, start at the Anderson Mill, come out to about where I'm at now, and you'll see it. For you guys that do ride single track, what are some tips for me? Because I've never really done it. Like, do you lift your feet up a lot? So my trail says we're going to go this way. So if you're watching this and you're actually going to ride my trail, turn left at the cattle guard. There's more single track. So for you single track guys that do ride it, what are some tips for me? Like pick your feet up. I don't know. Never ridden it. Comment below your tips for improving my single track skills. But again, I'm on a heavy dual sport bike. This thing is like 330 something pounds. I don't know the exact weight, but I'll put it up on the screen. It is not that easy to flick around and maneuver and tight turn and stuff like that. I think a single track like that would just be fun and killer on like a small little 125 or something, or a small little 150. Yeah. Oh, single track just crossed the road. I'm so distracted and excited now over the single track stuff. There it goes. More single track off into the woods. Looks like it's all over out here. We're gonna stick to the track we're on. And this is challenging enough for me too, though, you know? Sorry, I had to check and make sure my other camera angle was still there. Hit a big rock and I was like, uh-oh, I hope I didn't run over my other camera angle. Yeah, the GoPro made me so mad that it's now down there mounted on the bike. It's kind of sacrificial getting that cool other camera angle. Oh man, look at this. We gotta climb, guys. There we go. Climbing. Ooh, big rock. Ooh, chunky rocks, football-sized rocks, right in the middle of the road. Climbing. Big, huge rock right in the middle of the road. Climbing. Don't go off the edge. A certain death. More rocks. Ooh, that was a big hit. Front wheel. Climbing. Nice. Ooh, that's washed out. Might be a single track. I think single track trails are just actually like game trails, like cow trails. Like cow walking trails out here through the desert. I think that's how they're made. I don't know though, I'm no expert. This is still fun. Ooh, big rock right in the middle of the road. Yeah, still fun and challenging. Drop off, big drop off, another big drop off. Got it. Oh yeah, big drop off. Ooh, another big drop off. That wasn't that bad. These sticker bushes, cactuses. Everything out here is trying to get you. Look at that cactus growing out in the middle of the road. Yeah, it's still some fun 2-track. Oh, some off camber. Like the whole road looks sideways. I don't know how well it comes out on camera, but it is, or it was. It's flattening out now. Oh, rocky. What do you guys think? Big adventure bike rated? Shoot, I wouldn't, but some of these guys get gnarly on like a 10 or A700. Now we got a sharp turn here, and we're gonna go up this trail. Hill climb. Rocky, but not bad. It's, you know, relatively flat. It's rocky. Yeah. Oh, a little sigh of relief. You can breathe a little bit on a smoother trail. Nice for not facing possible death. Rocky. Rocky, not bad. Rocky. Big rocks. Not too bad though. Doable. Just pick your line. For example, I'm going to pick this line. Whoa, don't go off the edge. It's kind of scary when when a rock kicks your handlebars and your handlebars are suddenly pointing to certain death. You're like, oh, not that way. Ooh, big rocky section, guys. Big rocky section. We're going to go this way a little bit. Yeah. Oh, we made it. Yeah. That time was just all about picking the right line. And I picked it. Oh, cross over into this rut. Sandy wash. Real sandy. Ooh, bike's moving around. Yeah, but back there, that drop off was all about just picking the right line. And that time I picked it. Sandy wash. Watch out for the tree. Big rock. Right in the middle of the road. Football sized rock. Go over the cattle guard. Big rock. Alright, looks like we're getting out of the wash, which I like. We might be rock climbing again though, guys. Oh, I'm gonna cross over this way. Oh, too luggy for second gear. Downshift. Tractor mode engaged. Oh, we gotta cross over. Oh, we gotta cross back over. Making it. Yeah. We did it, guys. Oh, oh, we're not safe yet, though. Looks like another climbing section. Told you guys, this is a hard dual sport. I'm gonna put it in the title. Oh yeah. A little bit too high of a gear. We were in second, but we made it. Making it. Climbing. We are climbing. Oh yeah, we are making it, guys. continue going straight. We're in the rut, kind of. But we're making it. Big mud hole. Wow, look at this rig, guys. That's some custom stuff right there. I totally approve. Alright, back on the trail. Oh, rocky, real rocky. We're sticking to the right a little bit. It's got some ruts, not that bad. Whenever I see built rock crawlers like that one that just passed us, it really makes me worry about the condition of the trail ahead. Like, is this suddenly going to turn into extreme, rock crawling because those guys came from there? So it always kind of has me worried about the trail conditions ahead when I see one of those giant rock crawler buggy things. Oh yeah, fun little tube track. Smooth and flowy. It's got some ups and downs. Beautiful scenery, ducking in here through the trees. Some ups and downs. Alright. A little bit of mud. Oh, rock climbing, guys. I was too busy focusing on trying to get through the mud puddles. I wasn't really looking at the rock wall on the other side. You always got to be looking ahead on the trail. Uphill, rocky section. Alright, we made it. Making it, going uphill. There's a camper over there. Sorry, I got distracted. Squirrel. Up and down, up and down. Section. Yeah, we're starting to have some fun with it now. Yes, I'm now finally standing. I know I should stand more. I just feel really comfortable sitting. When I stand, the handlebars are like in my lap. So it's not the most comfortable position to steer from. Maybe I need to get those bar risers or something to change the handlebar ergonomics. Mainly the only time I really stand is when my butt gets sore and numb from riding for a long time. I also want to get seat concepts seat one day. Whoa, we are making it, guys. Up and down. Extreme stuff. Oh, sand wash. Ooh, rock crawling section. First gear. Tractor mode engaged. Making it, making it. Made it. Yes! I'm just gonna go in the rut. And now we're out of the rut. Oh, we were in third gear. That's way too high. Ooh, what kind of section is this we got coming up, guys? Oh, drop off. Looks like a rock crawling section again. Let's do it. First gear. This doesn't look too bad. Tractor mode. Ooh, it's bumpy. Oh, we are having fun now. Just getting it through these. Some experienced guys are like, yeah, right, I'll ride that at 100 miles an hour, right? Okay, good for you. It's still thrilling for me at like 20. Up and downs, look at that coming up, guys. Oh yeah, I like it. Ooh, we're having fun now, cruising through here. Oh, we got a side-by-side coming. Certain death machine. Well, pull over up here. Look at this, guys. More single track. Oh man. So tempting.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Tune in to the next episode of this series to see if I make it or do I go down this single track. Again, thanks for watching. See you on the next episode.